The sum of 3 consecutive odd integers is 63. Find the integers. Let's denote the 3 consecutive odd integers as n plus 2 and n plus 4. Notice that the difference between consecutive odd integers is always 2. According to the given information, the sum of these 3 consecutive odd integers is 63. Therefore, n plus 2 plus n plus 4 is equal to 63. Which implies 3n plus 6 equals 63, which implies 3n equals 57, which implies n equals 19. Therefore, the 3 consecutive odd integers are 19, 21, and 23. Thank you for watching.